Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. To do this, launch another internet-based app on your device. If this app fails to work, there might be an issue with your connection. Begin troubleshooting by opening your device's settings and selecting Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, then choose Forget this network. Next, restart your router to refresh the connection, and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, you can switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to see if a different network resolves the issue. If these steps don't help, move on to checking the Brawl Stars app itself. Open your device's settings again, scroll down and select Apps. Tap on Manage Apps to see all the apps installed on your device, then find and open Brawl Stars. Within the app settings, tap on Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that might be causing problems. If clearing the cache doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to ensure that Brawl Stars is updated to the latest version. Open your device's App Store or Google Play, search for Brawl Stars, and if an update is available, tap Update to install the latest version. This often fixes bugs and improves performance. Should the problem persist, consider reinstalling Brawl Stars. Long press the app icon and select Delete App, then confirm by tapping Delete. Once the app is uninstalled, go back to your App Store, search for Brawl Stars, and reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve lag and Wi-Fi errors in Brawl Stars and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. So that's basically how to fix lag and Wi-Fi error in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.